I think I found one of the best Chromebook deals that you can find on the market right now. This is the HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook. It is a premium business class Chromebook that originally sold from between $1,100 to $1,400, depending on the configuration and the reseller. And I picked this up for $225 3 years after its release. I got this Chromebook from Wisetek Market, which is a refurbisher and a really reputable place to get secondhand gear, and I got it in fair condition, and it looks absolutely amazing. And the specs are really crazy for a Chromebook. It has 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of NVMe storage, and an i5 12th gen, the 1245U V Pro, and it has a touchscreen. And we're going to unbox it, open it up, and see if it really is one of the best value laptops that you can find right now. Very simple box packaging, though it does come in this full bubble sleeve, which is really nice to see because we just know that it's going to be fine throughout the entire shipping process. And immediately once we pull it out, we can tell this is not your average device. This is a premium device. I know some people say that it's a Chromebook, it can't be that good. Chromebooks have come a really long way, and this is one of the most premium Chromebooks that you can find. This is part of HP's premium Dragonfly line, which is built for enterprise and business users that really want that executive feel. And they really put everything into this and didn't really compromise in any space. This is an executive device. And even for being in fair condition, it looks remarkably clean. The first thing you notice when you pull this Chromebook out is the quality. This feels premium. This is a magnesium alloy chassis, super lightweight at 2.8 pounds. And it is thin, well balanced, and extremely rigid. That metal casing throughout the whole thing means that it has no flex, it doesn't creak, this keyboard doesn't feel cheap. This is just an excellent Ultrabook. It is clean, it is sleek, and has really tight tolerances. And even though it has the premium materials, they did not skimp on the ports. We have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a USB-A port, full-size HDMI, micro SD card, and a headphone combo jack. Which means that even for an Ultrabook, you don't have to use this with a dock to be able to interact with multiple monitors and all of these different things. It's just a really good lineup here. This particular device came in two variants, the clamshell and then the full 360 touchscreen variant. This is a 13.5-inch 3:2 aspect ratio touchscreen display, so even though this isn't technically part of their 14-inch lineup, you actually get significantly more screen real estate with this device. And it is a beautiful QHD Plus IPS display that'll go up to 400 nits, and it just looks really sharp. The colors are bright and vibrant, and it's just so beautiful to look at. We've got this wonderful keyboard, it's backlit, it's spacious, plenty of room between the keys, and it feels comfortable. It really is one of the best keyboards that I have seen on a device like this, and to me, the only one that I found is better is on the Lenovo X1 Carbon. But this keyboard feels super premium. And then to top it all off, it has a fully haptic trackpad, which feels so smooth because there are no moving parts and you get the same click experience no matter where you are on that touchpad. It just feels really nice. And we even have a fingerprint scanner, which is super responsive, and you can put up to 4 fingerprints on this device. Moving on, we have a quad speaker setup, so you get a really nice sound profile coming from this device. And though it's not full immersion like you would get from headphones, it sounds really full and is not thin at all. We have a dual mic system here on the top of the device, so you get that really nice full sound from these microphones. And this webcam is a 5-megapixel sensor, which is really sharp, really clean, has its own processing to touch up the image, but it looks so good. And it even has a built-in camera cover right here on the top. After undoing all of the screws and prying up the top, we get our first look inside the Dragonfly. And let's just take a moment to appreciate the amazing engineering that went into this. Everything looks so clean and it's laid out so precisely. There doesn't feel like there's any wasted space in here. And with this dual fan system, we are getting that enterprise design for that consistent airflow and that long-term stability for the use of this device. And here we can see this really nice large battery, which is going to give us between 8 to 12 hours of use depending on screen brightness. We can see our speakers, and just everything in here looks just as premium as all of the materials surrounding this device. It's just so good. And remember, we got all of this for $226. Depending on the seller, that's between 16 to 20% of the original launch price. And we still have all of this quality and a long time on the guaranteed support list. Chromebooks typically depreciate in value so quickly. A lot of them are leased enterprise devices, and after 3 years, they just get resold and new ones come in and take their place, but there is nothing wrong with these devices. Even a few years after its release, this is still an extremely premium device. This is still one of the best Chromebooks that you can get on the market. There are other configurations that have better specs on paper, but for me, this is still one of the best well-rounded Chromebooks that you can get out there. For under $300, we have this executive level device with an i5 12th gen processor, 16 gigs of RAM, tons of storage, the ability to run Android apps through the Google Play Store, Linux apps through the development profile. This really is a no-compromise Chrome OS machine. It's fast, it's responsive, it's premium, and it just feels so good. This really is a device where HP did not cut corners. They knew who they were selling to, so they just threw it all in here. And now we have the opportunity to pick these up. These are still available on sites like Amazon, Back Market, Wisetek Market. You can find these in a whole lot of places. So if you're looking for a really snappy device to just throw in your backpack but still get that premium level quality, and you aren't reliant on Windows or Mac OS for certain things, pick one of these up. This is an amazing deal, and these Chromebooks operate so cleanly. And according to the policies for Chrome OS devices and their auto update schedule, this device has guaranteed support until June of 2032, and it could still work well after that date. So for the price of $226, you have guaranteed support for the next 6 years at the time of this recording, which for me, I think is quite a deal. Let me know if you have any questions about this device, where you can pick one up, and what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching.